In this video, we're going to try and share some Christmas cheer. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to try and share some Christmas cheer when we're on the road. And how do we do that? Well, it's December and well, it's Christmas time, so I think Little Fern deserves some little decoration to try and cheer up some people when we're out and about. So how are we going to do that? Well, this is what we've got. We definitely need some tinsel, and we're on brand because we've got some green tinsel, we've got some white tinsel. And what else do we need? Well, lights, surely. Lights are going to be really helpful. So got 2 packs of lights, and most importantly, we have zip ties, because zip ties fix lots of different things and will help massively in this job. So I did something similar last year, but we're going to go a bit bigger this time because go big or go home, right? So we're going to do this in kind of little stages, and I'll give you a little update when I've done a certain part. So the idea is to, it's a bit hard to see because I've got probably too much tinsel, if that is such a thing, but we're going to try and cover the roll bar in tinsel and then put some lights on, and depending on how much we've got will depend on where we go. But yeah, definitely covering the roll bar in tinsel is the best start to do. So let's get into that and start with the green. So here is the green on, and to be honest, I think that it's looking really good now. And I'd also forgotten how much fun this was actually to do. But one thing to warn you of is, and you'll see even more of them later, but you'll see little bits of tinsel and you will find them inside your car for a long time, because they'll be under the seats, they'll be in the boot, they'll be, well, you'll think that you've cleared them up and then you'll get bits back. So that definitely happened to me last year. So a word of warning, if you're thinking about doing this yourself, just be careful, or be warned is probably the best words, that you will find tinsel for months to come afterwards, even though you think that you've cleaned it all up, because, well, that's what happened to me anyway. So the next stage is the white. So let's get the white on. And here it is with the white on top of the green. And I was using the white a bit more sparingly, so I've actually got a bit more left, so we'll do something with this in a bit. But what I have used, I've used 12 meters of green, and so far I've used 8 meters of white. So one thing I have done differently this year is I've gone over the top of the wires I use for my GoPro, and last year I ended up kind of zip tying those on top. So it's a little bit neater, not that anybody cares, and it's not even going to be for a long time, but learning as I go from last year. So here it is, this is the kind of second stage, so the next stage is coming up soon. So what will that be? Let's see. The next stage is now complete, and to be honest, it's exceeded my expectations, and here we are. Are you ready? So if you did follow this video, or this type of video last year, you'd see that I'd just done the roll cage, but no, we've gone a bit better this time. So we've done underneath there, we've done down the side of the car, kind of wrapped it around, gone around the front, and also down the side. So I'll turn the lights off now so you can see it in the dark. So yeah, I can change colour if I want to, but I quite like the green. It goes with the brand colours, doesn't it? But yeah, I'm really quite chuffed with this, to be honest. It looks really quite good. But yeah, I'm going to work in the morning, so we'll see if I get some nice responses on the way. Hopefully I will. And we've also got another special trip in a few days' time, which I'll take you along to as well. So I shall see you tomorrow. Fern looks really good, doesn't she? This has turned out a lot better than I thought it would, which is great. On my way to work I had a few waves and smiles, so mission accomplished on spreading some Christmas cheer. Also, when I got in Fern to go home from work, I realised that one of my colleagues had left me a present on the gear stick. It's on brand colours and it actually worked surprisingly well at keeping my hand warm, as the gear stick wasn't cold to touch. One bad thing about not being able to lock her, I suppose. I understand that most owners don't want to drive their cars when the grit is about, which I totally understand, but I don't have a choice as Fern is my daily, so why not try and spread a bit of Christmas cheer? Hopefully this video has cheered you up a little bit, as it's a bit doom and gloom being winter time, and I hope you have a great Christmas and a brilliant new year. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away, as you fade away.